فين هاد العيب؟
انا لازم ندير بصح.
انا تشوف خير امك اخرى ندير داكشي بشويه داكشي زوين جوج شتي انت ضيعتي لاسباس فين لاسباس انت يا صاحبي بقيت لعبي عليا كيكي do you love me طلبي في الموضوع
بيتزا بيتزا بيتزا.
شو نسرق الضوء
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Zayd's from the factory, and today we're going to make some delicious Moroccan cookies. We're going to wait for our cousin to come, and we're going to go to the market, and we're going to get the ingredients that we need. Now we are in the store to get the ingredients. This is the store here. We got everything we need from the market, and we're going to go upstairs so we can make the dough.
يلا دير
Stage free organic chicken.
اوكي غنحتاجو زبده 3 البيضات كاس ونص ديال الزيت و200 غرام ديال السكر كلاصي 2 معالق ديال الحليب غبره وخماره وحده ديال الالزا فاني وصافي معلقه ناخذ معلقه معلقه صغيره
And what is this you're adding?
250 غرام ديال الزبده دير 2 معالق ديال ولا دير 2 معالق
Malka.
زيد بليت يا صاحبي وا تبت دير 2 معالق يلا عبر شد
Ah,
بليتي اوكي
شنو؟
خذ هذيك الكمامه
هذا؟
خذ نحليك نجبدها وبلاتي نجبدها لك
Say in Arabic what you're doing.
اوكي غنديرو 250 غرام ديال الزبده و2 معالق ديال حليب غبره وفاني وحده وقبيصه د
أنا
الملح
نقدر دوكا؟
لا زيد دير قبيصه د الملح لا هي قبيصه
دابا
بلاتي بلاتي حس شويه ولا زيد وما تعصبنيش اصاحبي
ما تعصبنيش ونديرو هكا كندير
امك طردهنا يلا هز دير لي الزيت تما
خزيت ندير هادشي كامل
شويه نزيدو كاس ونص ديال الزيت بلاتي باش تزيدي ليا البيض ولا تا صاحبي
زوين ريحة ندير بيض
وبلاتي نخدمو هادي
زوين حال دابا حال زوين صافي دابا
زيد ما خصش الزيت يبقى في الكسر.
تخدمها زيد، خليها تخدم.
ما تعصبنيش غنضربك انا اخبارك. من بعد كنزيدو 200 غرام ديال السكر ثقيل. زيد الله يحبك.
والله حمالي دين خبز
الله يرحم والديك. الله يرحم والديك. خبز كارم عافاك الا كان شي خبز كارم. غنديرو 3 البيضات 3 eggs.
There's so much to do. شوي هذا حل صابون. حل صابون ولي كبير هذا الصابون.
خاصك تحيدي يدك حيت هي ما خصهاش من بعد نقسموها على 3 ونديروها في الثلاجه حتى للغدا ان شاء الله. في الصباح غادي نطيبوها. يلا
3 bowls and I'm gonna wrap them. So now we're going to let these rest for 8 hours. There we go. There we go. And there we go. Yes, you heard me right. 8 hours. We waited overnight. The dough should be ready. I'm excited to see how it looks.
نسمع الفلوكشن. Oh my god, كتخسر التصوير.
Pizza. There, look, I made pizza.
Is this a pizza?
Yeah, that's ugly pizza.
Great. Pizza time. Okay, wait, صافي. صافي ماشي مشكل. ردها لا خليها.
Bake the cookies. They're hot. We're waiting for them to cool down. Gotta melt the white chocolate like that. It's easy to melt down. Like that. There we go. That's some good white chocolate. It's like a king. See that king logo? That. There we go. There we go. We're gonna put this boiling water in there so we can actually melt this white chocolate. We're gonna put this to have like hot water. It's boiling water here, and so the white chocolate can melt.
Okay, do it.
That's what حطيت هنا نشدوا بهذا. We're gonna put this here so this white chocolate melts. As you can see, that's gas heat. It's not like a normal heat. I'm just gonna mix it. And that, oh my goodness, look how much white chocolate is melted. Now this is going to be some white chocolate party here. Smash it. That's tasty. I just like mixing them like this so it's faster to crush like that. I'm gonna add some of this. As you can see the picture, we just bought this from Morocco, and we're just going to spill some of this here. There we go.
So it doesn't melt.
Yeah,
right?
so it doesn't melt. Put these in here in the holes so we can actually decorate the cookies. And the way that it doesn't drip, you do like this so it doesn't drip and so it doesn't get wasted. Just do a bit of that. And now, just fill it in. Chocolate in the freezer. Oh my goodness! It doesn't fit. We just put it on top like that. Ooh. It almost fell. And this is what my dad made. What is this? It just looks like a clown or something like that. Bam, 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 bam. Mix these in so we can actually put them in the middle.
It's an orange flavor.
Yep, it's an orange flavor. Okay, I'm gonna do it like quickly so.
No, if you do it quickly, it's gonna get screwed. الشيء هاي توسخ الشنب. هي بشوية ودير وحيدها بدنا باش ما يضيعش فهمتي؟
Quickly.
شوية أكثر باش
باش
تخوي بزاف مرات زمرة ولا صافي.
I wish I could taste it.
خذ صباعك صغير وهو ديري لها. هاتي زين.
Tastes good actually.
Smells good.
It smells good and it tastes good. Well, you already did. You're stealing all of them.
I'm just helping you actually. انت زي دير بزاف بحال شوف عمر المعلقه ديالك هاكا بحال هكا وكبر.
What's your hair?
No, my hair doesn't fall out.
Hanukkah?
Yes. شتي انت بديتي كتعلم.
So it drops quickly. Try my best.
Nice.
That was my best I could do. It's melted. Yeah, I don't know how this will taste. I never tasted this caramel. This one. Like that. Yeah, that goes together.
دير الكراميل وسط ودير فوق هذاك.
Yeah, oh, you know what? You know what? Because I'm crazy enough, I can put caramel even here. So, I'm gonna put it here just a little bit, not like, it's gonna put like a stain. To make it sweet.
Dirty. اجي
Look at that.
اجي نزوقها لك.
No, because it's going, so it can be sweet. She's winning, so.
ذوقها في الكاميرا وقول كي جاتك. ذوقها في الكاميرا.
I'm gonna taste this one. And
علاش خديتي هذيك؟
yeah, because I wanna taste the orange one before.
Okay.
It tastes very good. It tastes very sweet.
Really?
And with the white chocolate, it actually makes it 10 times more better. I hope you enjoyed my video today. Make sure to subscribe, hit the bell, and turn on notifications. And I'll see you next episode. Bye!
شي ما خصوش يكون.
Hair not included.
It's not gonna fall anyway. I'll have some braids.
أنا بطيب الشوكولاتة.
You're not supposed to be talking, Zayd.
وقال بطيب الشوكولاتة ما طيبوش.
لا غادي ندوبوه ماشي غنطيبوه. زعما بان بان.
قال ما تدوبوش قال ما تدوبوش. I wish at home there was a smell-o-vision because it smells so good.
Well, maybe one day you can invent that, yeah?
Well, maybe one day you can invent that, yeah. Looks like it's ready. Oh man. Ah, fell off. Bake the cookies. Another blooper.
يلا خذ هذوك. سي نلعب كاينه. يلا برك. اوكي. نجيبو الطاوة.
We're waiting for. Hey guys. We're waiting for my cousin to come so we can go. I really love cookies that she makes. I really love my cookies. I really like the cookies that my cousin made. Welcome back to my channel, Zayd's Fun Factory, and today we're going to cook some. I really love.
Welcome to my channel.
Welcome to my channel. I should have done that. Well.